In this video, you will see how to change underline color in Google Docs. At present, there is no direct option to add underline with the different color, but there is one trick to add this underline with the different color. Let's get started. So first type the letter. I will type here underline. Now go to the insert tab and click on drawing plus new to open this drawing dashboard. You will see here the option line. Click on it. Press shift on your keyboard to draw a straight line. You can change the color of the line from here, and if you want to change the thickness of this line, you can select here, for example 4 points. Then click save and close. Now click on the line to select the line. You will see here 3 dots. Click on it and click on size and rotation. Uncheck this option lock aspect ratio and click on the option in front of text. Now you can move this line freely and place it under the word. If you want to change the size of this line, you can just click on width scale to increase or decrease the size of the line, and then just precisely rearrange the line under the word. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen to learn more about Google Docs. Click on that like button if this video solved your problem. Subscribe and press the bell icon to support the channel. Thank you.